Gel polish manicure isn't something that's cheap, which is why no one wants their nails to be stained, especially with curry. So, if you're looking for a solution other than having your roti curry with knife and fork, then follow this quick hack. All you need is a bowl, toothbrush, lemon, baking soda, and water. Fill the bowl with water so that you can soak your nails easily. Now, squeeze in the lemon. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, mix it well so that the baking powder dissolves completely. Now take the toothbrush, dip it in water and start scrubbing the nails. Clean the inside part of your nails too. Do it for only 5 to 7 minutes because lemon and soda can dry out your skin. Lastly, don't forget to moisturize your hands and cuticles.